What is up, everybody? Welcome back and welcome to Just Us. We're reacting to Chainsaw Man Season 1, Episode 6. No, 7. 7. The Taste of a Kiss. Last time we saw that we saw the show was Denji diving into the mouth
of the demon thing.
Yeah.
And that's how the episode ended. I was more so fascinated by the ending outro. I'm starting to really like those. I don't know about you guys. Like I was gonna mention that like before, but I'm starting to really like the ending outro and the ending outro music. So I was looking up the soundtrack like a little after we watched that previous episode.
Yeah, right.
Actually, with
that,
cool. Denji's probably going back to get his kiss with tongue, probably.
Has to be with tongue. She promised.
Yeah. Honestly, I don't want her to kiss Denji. If I'm being so real.
Why not?
Because it's weird.
Because I feel like I understand Aki and her are just partners, but I feel like there's something. Or at least if I wanted for.
I do not want Denji with Makima. That shit is a manipulation.
No, my bad. I said no. Not my bad. I said Aki.
Oh.
The girl that he's supposed to tongue is Aki's partner. I
don't think it's like that. I mean, yeah, you can want them together, but I don't think I haven't seen anything like, oh, maybe they have a slight effect. It looks like fucking Aki has something for Makima, if anything.
But this is the first partner. Or first and foremost, that partner got him on cigarettes. She's tripping.
Yeah, you want them together after that?
She's tripping. First off, I still want her together after that. Yes. All right. What the fuck? But she's the first partner that I don't know. There's just a bond there. She said, "I've lost all my other partners. I don't want to lose you again, and you are one of the good ones."
Not lose you again. She just doesn't want to lose another partner.
Yes.
I mean, you think she didn't care about losing the other partner?
All I'm saying, Nathan, is this the first partner that she talks about? That she talks about in a way that seems like more than just
how
friendship.
You never seen her talk about any other.
She was talking about him last episode.
You never seen her talk to any of her other partners. So how do you know this is the first partner she's ever talked to like that?
Exactly. The fact that this is the only thing that we see, it looks like she genuinely gives a handful of a lot of shit about Aki, and I love it.
She doesn't want another of her to die. Like,
I don't think that's the only reason, Nathan. Come on, but ship love. Ship love.
She
Nathan.
said why she doesn't want him to die.
Ship love, Nathan. Makima still holds my heart.
My favorite character.
She's so freaking sexy.
Nathan probably likes Denji. You know what I'm saying? Inspiration goes for inspiration.
That's literally Davion. I'm not over here saying, "Oh my god, it's such a good goal."
It is such a good goal.
I'm not saying you're advocating.
That's literally Davion.
Nathan, I'm not saying you're advocating the goal. I'm just saying in most animes you like the main character. Ergo Denji.
Yeah, but there's no really story to this show, so I don't really care.
Oh yeah, Nathan's a story anime kind of cat.
Right. Let's just get to the episode then.
Oh!
Oh, he's really in there.
Look at this
crazy.
He's in there just slicing.
Remember he said last episode that the monster's scared of his chainsaws?
Yeah, because they feel pain.
Oh my god, did he rip his arm off?
Hey, yo!
Oh, that shit came back, yeah. You see that shit like fucking retract?
Oh. Oh!
Hey, that must be terrifying though. Like, ugh.
Why aren't they helping him? Like,
what are they gonna do? They're gonna jump in there? What the fuck?
I'm jumping in there.
I'm not gonna lie.
You're gonna die. Oh, damn! Ew! He drank.
Oh, let's go!
He ate his blood. That was sick. Yeah, Aki kind of has a little bit of screw loose. I'm not gonna lie. What? Not everything's love, dude.
Bruh, Nathan, bruh.
I think Aki, dude, Aki has a screw loose. She's fucking tripping.
It's pretty cool, man.
Bruh, how many times is Spoof gonna beat this thing's ass?
So much of it.
Did he just fucking?
Yeah, it took his.
He just fucking broke his neck. Hey yo.
Ooh. Oh, they used the. Oh, bro, that's sick.
There's no way.
Hey.
Oh, thank God she's alive. Yeah.
3
Damn!
Yeah, bro.
It's
What?
over.
It's over? This thing just gave up?
That was a hard. Yeah, it's been 3
This thing
days.
just really gave.
Them motherfuckers need to head back and resign. Like,
And especially that girl. She is garbage.
yeah, but it's either that or she has to become.
Oh,
Yeah,
yeah.
it sucks.
Hey. Let's fucking go.
Come on, we know. Yeah.
Yeah.
デンジ君の秘密を知ってるからな。牧野さんの噂聞いてみようか。
Wanna get her? Oh my god.
I fuck with that, dude.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're all getting faced.
コペちゃんお金ほとんど家入れてるもんね。たくさん食べな。取れなんですか。値上げは全部わしらじゃ。
Gangster.
Damn.
This fat ass. She's just chopping down.
早川さんのところのマリンちゃんは理性が高くていいですね。
Can't remind you, those are chicken wings.
Oh, yeah, no, yeah, she's
Bones and all.
Yeah, she's tripping.
Fucking tripping.
They do have like. Oh, about that kiss though.
おお。シラフじゃ恥ずかしい。
I'm too bashful.
もっと酔ったらしてあげる。
What? They're playing him.
可愛いやつかましてやるからさ。デンジ君をみんなで殺そうとしたこと許してね。
Oh.
大丈夫でしょ。
What?
私は趣味聞きたいな。趣味で人間わかるでしょ。
俺デンジ年は確か10
God, he's 16?
Yeah.
俺と契約してる悪魔同じじゃん。狐の悪魔は人間に友好的だからたくさんのデビルハンターと契約
So many hunters make contact. I was about to say, Aki has one too, right?
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
あの悪魔、面食いだから。
Maybe that's why he's got those scars on his face, remember?
形です。
He's 20, okay.
してる悪魔は秘密で趣味は美味しいものを食べることです。
Why is everybody's hobby eating here? Like,
私の武器ももう公安にいないし。デンジ君は私とキスしたい。
What's it?
where's Makima? Because was it?
Yeah, I thought she was there.
Yeah,
They-
what's
they
the
almost
point
said Miss Makima.
for this to get Makima hammered?
I'm pretty sure she's kissed everyone here apart from the rookies.
There's no escaping her? That's a guaranteed kiss! He doesn't even care!
Bruh. Oh, that's why they.
Wow. Oh,
Makima.
let's go.
Glad to have her here.
Excuse me, I'd like a draft beer. Let's get it.
I thought she was already there.
Why? She's be like, I want to sit by Denji-kun.
Look at Aki already offering her some, I'm telling you. Oh,
デンジ君キス。
Oh, we're not gonna get.
それでキスって。
姫野さんとキスするとか牧野さんに見られたくない
he's sweating.
Let's switch it.
デンジを狙った悪魔といい最近少し悪魔の動きが怪しいですよ牧野さんはデンジのこと何か知ってるんじゃないですか
Why is Makima's eyes so weird though?
So is Powers.
私より飲んだら教えてあげる。
I mean, is she a fiend?
I'll tell you if you can outdrink me. Let's get it.
Yeah, they turned.
What if Makima's a fiend?
They're getting fucking faced.
すいません。生もう一つ。
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, no one else's eyes is like that except Makima's, and I want to see another fiend to see what their eyes look like.
IQ どのくらいあるの？
Damn.
100ぐらいだったけど。じゃあ120。
And it was 100.
覚えてるあたり自慢に思ってしまう。わしは確か500。
Okay,
Oh.
what? Alright.
She's lying.
1,000?
She's lying, man.
Oh? Oh! Oh my. Oh my. No, but Makima though. He's watching. Damn.
Oh, damn!
The kiss in the foot? Is that a tongue I feel?
Hey, yo!
But it's melting in my mouth. That's not a tongue.
Oh!
What the fuck?
すいません何か拭くものを
She just threw up in his mouth. What the fuck? Oh, look at Pochita.
Hey, bro.
Oh, yeah, throw that shit up. You're throwing a throw up, my guy.
That is disgusting.
Oh my gosh.
He's gonna hate her now. Like,
Bro, that was his first kiss.
yeah, he's traumatized forever.
Oh yeah.
Oh my god. Danji.
レイジ君は
I fucking love when she said Danji no.
Pick him up and walk off something. Himeno?
Himeno did that shit.
Yeah.
Get away from me.
Oh! What the
You
fuck?
have me, bitch. You get off me.
She's drinking more?
Oh, it's just beer. What?
あれは全然レイジ君なんで私ん家に
Do you think Aki and her might be a thing?
What are you doing at my place?
出てきたんだっけ
Is she gonna take her thing off? I want to see her eye.
そういや君牧野さん
Oh.
Okay.
She knows.
なんなくそんのやめ
Damn.
Hey, she's a fucking hater, son.
Yeah.
あんな照れちゃってさ
Oh, she's a hater, dude.
She better not throw up on him again.
She,
I think
is she
she's
whispering?
listening. Wanna do it?
Wanna do
Hey!
Did it end off that?
Hey, bro, that episode was gas.
Wanna watch the outro?
If he said yeah, Maki was on that ass, bro. It's so bad for him. Oh my god, that was gas.
You guys, I don't know about you guys, but as a male, as a man, as a gentleman,
You can say it, Gabriel.
Human being?
as a human being, I find it mad scary. A female picks me up, lifts me, and starts carrying me to her.
Right after she threw up in your mouth.
Right after she threw up in my mouth, and starts carrying me to her lair dungeon.
And then she get there, she's like, how did you get to my house?
Yeah, and
What?
then,
It's still drinking.
And so
and then the beer goes into my mouth. What is this?
she looks
Hey,
wild.
I'm gonna keep it back the entire
Oh
scene.
my
That entire
God.
shit was like, for me, this whole anime, it was like entertaining, and then it got scary dark for me. Because I was over here like, what is this whole, it's dark, it's cold. Water.
Would you not feel the same way after he's got thrown?
Nathan, I would, but like, it's terrifying.
Start
That,
turning into fucking SpongeBob.
it's terrifying how that entire scene went down. Because it's over here like, Aki, Makima, where's the help? Y'all telling me she just left and nobody like
When will you get it? Makima does not actually care for
no,
Denji.
no, I'm saying,
You're full
bro,
of
did you not hear what I said? Why did Aki, Makima, and all them just not like, oh, we gotta get her home because she's obviously like messed up. Denji's messed up. Oh, she just carries him and walks away?
I don't think they're actually, bro. I don't think any of them are actually friends.
Nathan, quit the cap and stop BSing. Makima cares about Denji.
She cares about Denji because she wants to use him to kill devils.
Nathan, until it comes full circle, as of right now,
She did not care.
Hold on,
She
did you not hear what they said at the? Did you not hear what they said at the drinking table? They said that Makima could literally go anywhere. Why is she staying in Japan? It must be because of
Because
Denji.
she has because how many other half devils are out there? You have a half devil that can do things that no one else can do. Yeah, you're obviously going to want to focus on that person because you know they can do things. They can get the job done better than anybody else.
I'm sorry, bro.
So why would you not focus on that person?
I think there's a little bit more to it. Cause
She's
hold on.
manipulating him.
Aki just or not Aki. What's her name? Himeno.
Himeno.
Himeno just confirmed it as well. Aki could easily kill the Gun Devil, but in the process he would die.
How do you know that?
She
he
said
would-
it.
She mentioned that.
She said he could whatever he can do, his determination, his goal, and that sword, he could kill the Gun Devil if he really wanted to. But the downside is he would die doing it. So that makes me believe
That's why Aki said he needed
Denji so he can survive.
Yeah.
That makes
And
me
then
believe.
Denji made, oh my bad.
You're good.
And then Denji made that comment. I'm only doing this just so I can do this and then get it over with.
Boom.
And then like I repaid the debt or whatever the fuck. You know what I'm saying? For the whole saving life thing. That's when he said that.
So that makes me believe if he ever pulls out that sword and uses it, he is going to kill the Gun Devil. But whilst killing the Gun Devil, he is going to die. Let's get on to an even better subject. Mano is a fucking hater, bro. I'm sorry. I may be alone here, but
Come on, Nathan. Drop that card. Nathan, drop that card.
What card?
Denji's 16? What?
I mean, I don't know how old Himeno is, to be honest.
drinking age. They all were talking around. She even grabbed me. She's over here like, oh, "You were drinking,
I think
right?"
they said it. I think they said it.
I know the dude is 22. He's over here like, "I'm 22 and I made a deal with the Fox Devil."
Yeah.
He's 22.
I don't think it. Let's keep that out of it. This is the anime. People throw up in each other's mouths. That does.
I love how you say let's keep us out of it.
I know,
but
but
you're the
like,
one who said Nathan be that guy.
I was like, Nathan, drop that card because it is.
Ew.
It is an interesting subject.
That is gross.
How old is she?
Thank you guys for watching this video. If you liked it, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.
We love talking to you guys in the comments. We want to see you guys on Twitter as well. So please follow us at just_us. You feel me? YT is in YouTube.
If you guys can't hit the notification bell on the bottom right hand corner, you'll be updated on upcoming content. Missing anything, just hit the logo on the bottom left hand corner. Appreciate the love to give class for life. But if you guys can, like, comment, and subscribe on this video because we do appreciate it at the end of the day. Didn't know? My name is Cameron.
Davion.
Nathan.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's always been just us.